Parliament elected by your voters.
Let me give the warm greetings of my comrades, the comrades of Die Linke from Germany, to you and to the successful We should tell to the people why we are the alternative. We are the alternative because we are with the workers, with the unemployed, with the youth, with the women, with the trade unionists, with the poor in Europe. To be concrete, we are with the majority of the European people. Change Europe. I think, and I'm sure, that you will be successful. Please have the solidarity, be sure of the solidarity of the Linke from Germany, be sure of the solidarity of the European left. Together we will rise up and we will be stronger. Thank you very much.
Pred slovesnim podpisom sporazuma nas bodo nagovorili trije koalicijski partnerji Združene levice: Violeta Tomić, Luka Mesec ter Matjaž Manjšević.
Dragi prijatelji, mislim, da je čas, da zopet vzkliknemo: proletarci vseh dežel, združimo se!
Tovariši, pred nami je ogromna naloga. Če želimo spremeniti Slovenijo, moramo spremeniti. Čas je, da vzamemo stvari v svoje roke. Čas je, da prebudimo revolucionarnega duha Evrope. Čas je za demokratični socializem.